Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 3rd of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for SPX for the upcoming expiry on the 8th of November 2024. Now, just keep in mind these are all values, these -1 values here are actually from 2 weeks ago since I didn't make videos last week due to external exams. Now, if I say last week in this video, please know it refers to 2 weeks ago, since this is all data from 2 weeks ago. And this stuff is current, of course. So, the CE level and PE level have both decreased. That's a negative. The quantity is higher for PE. That's negative. The change is higher for CE. That's negative. Short squeeze is higher for PE. That's negative. And the PCR is extremely overbought. High. That suggests it's extremely overbought. The SPX, that's negative. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both higher. That's two negatives. RSI is lower. That's negative. No, there is a divergence. That's negative. ADX is lower. That's negative. ATR is lower. That's positive. Both EMAs are higher. That's two positives. VWAP is lower. That's negative. Pivot point is higher. That's positive. And the candlestick is bearish, and that is a negative. The current support is 5,700. The previous week's support, 2 weeks ago, support was 5,850. The new resistance is 5,750, where the resistance 2 weeks ago was 5,900, and the overall prediction from the option chain is that the S&P 500 goes down this week. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.